you can have any hobby. You have to have a hobby. So when you have a hobby, then find some local classes in your area, in the town, in the city. Find some local classes or some seminars or workshop related to your hobby or interest. There you will find people who are similar to you. Yes. So hello guys, how are you? I'm Manish and welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is how to stop being an introvert and make friends. People waste their time on their phone because in this era, in this modern period, it's difficult to make friends. In earlier times, people used to greet everyone on the streets. Well, try doing that now. Look, you will wonder that how can I? You always wonder, I know. Yeah, people wonder that how can I make friends, good friend, who have similar thinking that like me, or like who are similar in hobbies and passion. I'll tell you how to make that friend. Okay, so let's start. I'll tell you 6 steps to make a friend. So the number one step is don't fear. It may feel like fear shuts you down, but in reality, fear wakes you up. You know, you should always, there is always a fear of breaking your heart and breaking your trust. But trust me when I tell you this. It's better to go out and hurt yourself than rather stay at home and wither away. Okay? So don't fear. Now, the number two step, the second step, is make a comfortable environment. Okay? Now, how can you make a comfortable environment? You have to find, if you have a hobby like painting or, dancing, singing, computer, all sorts of, you can have any hobby. You have to have a hobby. So when you have a hobby, then, find some local classes in your area, in the town, in the city. Find some local classes or some seminars or, workshop related to your hobby or interest. There you will find people who are similar to you. Yes. So make a good environment for yourself and go to places that where people similar to your thinking, similar to your hobby, and chill out. Okay. So now you have made yourself a comfortable environment. Now step number three is talking. Talking is very hard. Talking to a person is hard. But if you don't know how to talk, then just ask questions and remember to be curious about it. Okay. Ask questions and be curious about it. Now, step number four is listen to what the other people has to say. Okay, listen to them. You have asked them a question. You're talking to them. Listen to them very carefully. Yes, listen very carefully and try to understand them. Okay, that's step number four. That is step number four. And now step number five. Now it is a trickier step. Okay, to speak your mind. We are always afraid to speak our mind. But to a friend, you should speak your mind. That way you will know if he's for real, okay? Now, to speak your mind doesn't mean you have to say what other person want to listen or want to hear. You must say what comes in your mind in reply of a sentence or in reply of a question. You speak your mind and, be genuine about it and be respectful. Don't try to hurt. Don't think, kid stuff, okay? Try to give a mature answer of your thoughts, okay? Combine in your thoughts, give a mature answer, give a mature point of view. Okay, that's step number four. Step number five, This step, speaking your mind, is very, very complicated, and it's very tricky. But when you practice, try and you will be succeeding. You will succeed in speaking your mind. So speak your mind. Okay. Now the final step, the sixth step is ask them to join you. When the workshop is over, don't ask them for a lunch or dinner. Don't ask them that, that's the step too far. Ask them to join you for some coffee or some, beer, candy or, juice, some snacks. Yes, be casual about it. Ask them to join you for some coffee. Like, hey, I'm going to get some coffee. Would you like to join me? That's that's how you make friend. Now, keeping a friendly relationship is very hard, and we will discuss it in another day. Okay, we'll discuss it in another day. So be careful and keep rocking. Make friends. Bye.